background's pretty much always been in education. I started out at a juvenile facility. The most difference between teaching in a correctional institution and public school is the resources that you got your hands on. Correctional facility is security first, so you have to clear it with security to bring in. What comes in has to come out. That's probably been the biggest challenge. Education is the same. You're here to educate and to make someone grow as a learner. Never really taught adult learners before, but as an inmate, they're agreeable, they're self-motivated because most of them have young children at home. They want to get in class and they want to really show their children that they have accomplished something while they were here. The more rewarding side of teaching a correctional institution will be the citizen that you put back out into the world. To know that a student has the opportunity to go reunite with their family, re-enter the workforce, but we know that as they better their families, then they better society. As they repair their family and do not return to prison, then we have done our job, and that is the reward.